It's always best to get your car battery checked up, especially before the winter weather. So I'm going to show you how to test your car battery using a multimeter. Leave your headlights on for a minute without running the engine to get rid of any surface charge. On the multimeter, switch to 20 DC setting. Connect the black lead to the negative and the red lead to the positive. Now you should have a voltage reading around 12.6 volts. Now I had this car battery running for over 2 years now, and it's showing a reading of 12.39 volts, which means it has roughly 70% state of charge remaining, which is still good. If you get a voltage below 12, consider checking it out in store or replacing it, as the minimum voltage to start your car is around 11.8, but if you're lucky enough it may start below 11 volts, but I wouldn't recommend it. Finally, make sure your car battery passes the test. Start up your engine and look for the lowest reading point. If it's above 9.6 volts, it's good enough to start the car. If it's below, then it's best to get it checked out where you bought it from or replace it. So the lowest reading we got is 9.78 volts, which is above the minimum to start the car. Now while the engine is running, the average reading we're getting is about 14.3 volts, which indicates the alternator is charging, the battery is working fine. Now there are battery with alternator testers out there that cost less than £10, but to carry out a test with the multimeter will give you a precise digital reading. I like to mention that there are also power bank jump starters you can purchase, so you don't have to rely on anyone else jump starting your car. Do check this out in one of my previous videos. Take care guys, peace.